Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone screen is original. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings here on your phone. And let's just scroll down until we find General and tap on that. And at the very top here, you can see About. Let's tap on that. And on here, you are looking for some indication that the display parts, some kind of parts or service has been changed. So if there hasn't been any, it won't show up here. If there has, it will show up. And it'll look kind of like this. So you can see this is a support Apple website. You can see here parts and service history, and it says the display has been changed, but it is a genuine Apple part. So it's an actual Apple display that they did replace. Now, if you scroll down here and potentially if the display says parts and service history display unknown part, this is an indication that that display for your iPhone has been replaced, but it's been replaced with some other third-party display. So not an Apple display, not actually created and done by Apple themselves. And it walks you through various other things to look on here and information regarding that repair and what that might do to your warranty on your iPhone and just the longevity and potentially even how good of a waterproof seal your phone has now that it has that new display, potentially if it's not an actual Apple display. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.